opportunity to thank UNHCR, wameleta chakula hapa. The CHVs wa Embakasi East constituency wanafanya kazi, walifanya kazi usiku nzima na bado hawajalala, bado wanafanya kazi mpaka saizi. Na viongozi ambao wako around pia bado wanafanya kazi kuhakikisha kwamba tutafute wale ambao walipata shida, walipata majeraha. Wengine bado hatuwezi wa locate. As you can see, tumekuwa tukitafuta majina hapa. So far tumetafuta around 220 names yenye tumeandika hapa, na bado tuko kwa hali ya kutafuta hizi majina zote ili tuweze identify the real victims. Now victims tumefanya mikakati kama kiongozi. Mimi mwenyewe nimecommunicate na Raila Amolo Odinga. His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga ameweza kutoa $1,000,000 na mimi pia natoa $1,000,000 na viongozi wengine pia wana make contributions. So far we are at a position where we've collected 2.1 million shillings from Raila, 1 million from myself, 1 million from other leaders, also 100,000. But we are still collecting more because we need to help our people. It is now looking for a way forward because this inferno took place yesterday, the day before yesterday and yesterday night, and will only be fair if we get a solution for them. And the way forward is to try to resettle them, because as you can see, they are now here at Social Hall Embakasi. They don't have places to stay, they don't have clothes to change, they don't have food to eat, and they don't have any other thing that can assist them in life. The only thing that they have is themselves. Some of them have still lost their relatives. They don't know where their relatives are. Mabibi hawajui mabwana zao wako wapi, na mabwana pia hawajui mabibi zao wako wapi, na watoto pia walipotea. So we are also requesting members of the public, any person who might have taken someone's child in the name of helping, because we know that it was very genuine, please surrender the child to the Embakasi police station so that we can take these children back to their families and relatives. So far that is what we are doing, is just to ensure that they are settled and they are well.